Hey guys, Richard here for the School of Nomads. Just a quick one today. I kind of wanted to go through my 3 secrets of success for affiliate marketing. So kind of jump over to a slide quickly and take you through these, really based on my own experience as an affiliate marketer and the kind of issues that I've had and the kind of behaviors that every day I try and adopt to make sure I don't slip into bad habits. So let me jump over to my slides. I'm going to show you something. Now these are the 3 secrets to success, guys. So these are the kind of things that you need to adopt, especially if you're starting out in affiliate marketing and you're a beginner and you're using things like free traffic, right? You're not using kind of paid traffic. Now the first one is patience, because stuff like free traffic takes a long time to build up and you have to think long term. So whenever you're building any kind of content and you're trying to drive free traffic to it, for a YouTube, for example, like I do, it takes a long time to build that traffic up and to actually see some kind of results. So you've got to be patient. If you give up too early, then you're never going to get anywhere, right? So whether you're deciding to do blogging or you're doing YouTube, whatever it is, you've got to be building up that content and then driving that traffic, and it will start coming in slowly. But then after time, once your content builds up, you'll start to see more and more results with it. So patience is a big one. The second one is consistency. So when you start posting whatever content it is, you have to be consistent with that content that you're posting. So I try and post on YouTube at least 2 or 3 times a week, if not more, depending what kind of reviews are coming through. Maybe I'll do more if there's a lot of products to review. But on the value-based side, at least 2 or 3 times a week, I try and post on YouTube. Now, this is so that whoever's actually subscribing to me on YouTube can actually see different content. They might not want to watch every video, that's fair enough, but they can actually see different content on there. And I'm making sure that I'm kind of bringing a lot of fresh stuff to my audience as well, so that it's not always the same videos they see every single time they go on my channel. So you've got to be consistent, and if you are consistent, then you'll start seeing those real results. Now we call it rinse and repeat, because you know, you go and research a bit of content, you go and build a bit of content, and then you go and post a bit of content, and then you start the process again. Rinse and repeat. The last thing is you've got to provide value. So when you're building content, you need to be providing value to people. So you need to be making sure that they're learning something from that content, whether it be some kind of tip, whether it be some kind of, you know, other knowledge, some kind of news that you've found out about, some kind of new method you found out about, whatever it is, you need to be providing some kind of value to them. So remember, whenever you're posting your content, what you're trying to do is provide some form of value for them to take away and kind of think, and you know, I hadn't really thought about that, or maybe that's something I can start doing. So guys, just wanted to give you those 3 secrets to success. Again, all these things I wasn't when I first started out, but it's something I try and adopt every day now. I try and be patient, I try and give consistency, and I try and provide that value. And then if you do that as well, your business will definitely grow online. If you've got any questions about this, always happy for you to email me. I'm always happy to help you. Until next time, guys, my name is Richard Darby. Take care.